Vegan Recipes and More by Blair Lee from C Homeschoolers. Hi everyone, I'm Manisha, the founder of Modulo. Today we have a overview of a sweet book by Blair Lee called Vegan Recipes. And if you appreciate vegan food and the impact on the environment it has like me, these are just really fun vegan recipes you can do with your kids. I am going to tease you a little bit here. I know not everybody, not nearly everyone here is vegan, but if you do reduce meat from your diet, it makes a huge impact on climate change. Blair has another amazing resource on climate change, and she's really walking the walk here by not just talking the talk, by giving families actionable vegan recipes. So, wherever you stand on the issue, you can look at research from Project Drawdown and others. Eliminating meat is really just one of the best ways you can help the climate. I am still getting there with my own consumption around milk and cheese, but I do think, a plant-based diet is so healthy, and it does reduce the impact on the environment because of all of the water and gas it takes into raising livestock for consumption. So this book is Vegan Recipes and More. It's a great way to start making a nice plant-based diet with your kids. And you can even see one of this yum, beautiful tabbouleh recipes. Looks like some parsley and cucumber, extra delicious. So you can get this really cheap, $1.99. Has 16 delicious recipes. So the science of climate change, a hands-on course, is one of our top recommendations for any type of environmental science. And in that book, Blair has different goals that she brings forward to families on how they can reduce their own environmental impact. So this book is part of that stretch goal. And as I said, it includes 16 delicious recipes. You can make it for your child, or you can have your child make it for you. So that's definitely a great perk of homeschooling, if you can teach your child to cook and get them cooking for the whole family. Anyway, there's just a lot of really sweet, yummy recipes in here, and we wanted to make sure that you saw that this affordable, fun book was available to you. This is Vegan Recipes and More from Secular Eclectic Academic Homeschoolers, written by Blair Lee, who has developed so much incredible, thoughtful, project-based curriculum for kids. Check it out.